I honestly never really thought I'd make it this far. I remember my son asking me, do you ever think you're gonna get like 1,000 subscribers? And I thought, I don't know about that, but maybe one day, you know. And then I get the YouTube play button, the silver one that's handed out once you reach 100,000. And my son, eyes big as hubcaps, is like, wow, Dad, do you think you'll ever get 200,000? I'm like, no, I'll never get that. Well, as it stands, I'm at over 300 right now and climbing, and it's just exciting to see the growth, and I never thought it was going to happen. Never. Well, at first, I was very intimidated about making furniture, so I really started out with smaller projects. And like most woodworkers, our rite of passage is making a cutting board. So I started making cutting boards, and then I started to try to make very unique cutting boards, three-dimensional cutting boards, and really nice decorative end grain cutting boards. And then I started graduating from that to other things, slightly bigger and then slightly bigger. And now I'm making all kinds of different furniture, from shop-based furniture to, you know, beautiful furniture for your house. And yeah, it's been interesting, especially in this really tiny shop that I have, being able to make big things. I have to be very careful about just how big a project I take on. One of the things that I have fun with the most is designing my own furniture in, you know, a CAD software, computer software. And once I have the design, trying to see if, okay, can I make this thing? Can I actually make it work out of wood? So I come down here to the shop and I build it, and when it actually looks like the design, I get really excited. I had a project recently that just looks like an ordinary coffee table, but it completely transforms into a puzzle table or a board game table, and the top boards come off and they turn into the gaming trays, and it just came out perfect, just like the design, and I was really excited about that one. It's so awesome to see people that are fans of my channel or the viewers of my movies, and they send in pictures of the very same piece of furniture that I made that they recreated themselves. And maybe they put a little twist on it, or they did a little bit differently, and they're like, hey, I just wanted to show you how I took your design and I made it too, and I put my own little flair on it. And it's just so neat to see somebody else out there wanted to build the thing that I designed, and it's very satisfying. I love what I'm doing. I have so much fun at this. Just to be able to walk downstairs, walk into the shop, and make some sawdust, it's really awesome.